Log in with your username and password. By clicking on Students button, you get list of all active students. Here you can add new student, edit details of existing student, or delete students record. When adding students, name and discount group are required fields. By assigning student to discount group, you set what fraction of basic price will be charged to that student. Discount groups are set by you in the Tools section. ID card number is number read from code or RFID membership card. This card may later be used for checking in. When student's record is entered and saved for the first time, you can add the picture to the student's profile. List of available courses is easy to get by clicking on Courses button. Every course has to have unique name. Provide a course name according to your naming convention. There are two types of prices. Full price is price for the entire course. Another way of charging is price per hour or price per class. In that case, total amount charged would depend on number of checked-in visits for student in particular course. One course can have as many groups as you need. Group is actual realization of the course, with its beginning, end and professor. Again, name of the group has to be unique among all groups. For your convenience, name the groups according to your naming convention. Now that the group is created, you can assign students to selected group. You may assign as many students as you like to the particular group. Another way to assign student to the group is through student's profile. You can add timetable to the group. There are two types of timetables: timetable by weekdays and timetable by actual dates. Timetable by weekdays can be defined for multiple week types, so that it supports, for example, alternating week timetables. That is the meaning of timetable A and B in the example. Resulting timetable for the particular date and week type is always shown on the main form. On student's profile form, there is always information about total debt of currently selected student. By adding payment for selected student and course, student's total debt is updated. The application also offers a simple way of tracking expenses of various types. You can define expense types according to your needs. And you may quickly get an overview of expenses in selected time period. Students can check in using barcode identity cards. The attendance information can later be used for charging of price per class courses. You can easily get an overview of students' visits. A separate record of potential students can be kept in a waiting list. When there are enough candidates to form a group, you can easily assign them to a particular course and group. Thus, candidates assigned from waiting list became actual students. And now you can update needed information through their student profile.